Welcome to your next big opportunity. Whether you're looking to turn a skill into a career or earn passive income, we've got you covered. Dive into these top ways to make money online, right from the comfort of your home. Ready to change your life? Let's explore these exciting options together. Number 1. Freelancing. Dive into freelancing on Upwork, where many earn $10,000 to $20,000 yearly. Showcase your skills. From graphic design to coding, freelancers contribute over $1.2 trillion to the economy, proving vast opportunities. Ready to start? Create your profile on Upwork today. Land your first gig and share your success story with your peers. Second, we have affiliate marketing. Unlock passive income through affiliate marketing. Join Amazon Associates, where top marketers earn significant commissions promoting products they love. With 81% of brands using affiliate programs, the potential is huge. Eager to earn? Register on Amazon, pick your niche, and enjoy your first commission with your friends and family. Number 3. Online courses. Share your expertise and earn big by launching online courses on Thinkific, where the e-learning market could reach $375 billion by 2026. Tutors on Tutor.com make impactful earnings by educating globally. Want to teach? Develop your first course on Thinkific. Launch it and inspire us with your course topic so we would benefit. Then we have YouTube. Join successful YouTubers who make millions from their content. Create engaging videos that resonate with your audience and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Top YouTubers earn spectacular incomes. Ready to film? Start your YouTube channel. Upload your first video and link it below to gain your first fans. Finally, photography. Turn your photography hobby into a steady income on Shutterstock, where top photographers earn hundreds per image. Stock photography can provide a lucrative passive income with the right strategy. Photographer? Upload your best shots to Shutterstock today and post your portfolio link below to showcase your work. Follow me for more updates and exciting content.